friends! Today let's learn action words in the vegetable garden.
Digging the soil. This is how we prepare the garden.
Planting seeds. Tiny seeds will grow into plants.
Watering. Plants need water to grow strong. Weeding Puffin, we take out the unwanted plants. Tying plants to help them stand tall.
Picking vegetables up fresh from the garden.
Carrying a basket full of healthy food. Washing to make our vegetables clean.
Great job! We learned many action words in the garden today.